COVID has changed the way hospitals work, and you should know how to leverage the current situation to provide better services and get most out of your business. If you don't know me, I am Deep from Ibiixo. You can stay tuned on our channel to get more insights of similar videos in various software industries. Let us see about the need of the healthcare industry in the current situation. It is found that US itself will need more than 2.3 million healthcare workers, including nurses, other staffs and doctors by 2025 to make sure that they can take proper care of their citizens. Rural areas are facing very critical shortage of healthcare professionals, physicians, and not just that, but the overall education system in that direction. According to World Economic Forum, the sad part is that more than 6 million people die in the developing countries just due to the lack of proper physicians or healthcare services. And how can we cover that? We can only cover that with proper technology, right? It's not possible to get more doctors immediately. It's possible to utilize the current doctors in the best way, to utilize their time and efficiency in the right directions, right? So that is where technology comes in. Healthcare applications are a boon to both doctors as well as patients. Reason because they fill up the gap. Consider a rural area in some part of the country versus a doctor sitting in Los Angeles, right? The healthcare applications actually connects them both so that no one remains without proper healthcare services. No one dies due to the lack of physicians or healthcare services or hospitals. That is where these applications play a major role, and that is the major blessings, not towards the patients and doctors, but of course towards the business or the way you get into the business and make most out of it. Every single day, mobile applications in healthcare industries or e-consultations or medical consultations are increasing at a rapid speed. If you see to the facts and figures of last 2 years, it has grown by 200% every single year. Not just connecting the doctors with patients, but it can also help an individual to monitor their heart rate, pregnancy, mental health, sleep analysis, and a couple of more things. And further, the same data can be shared with doctor so that they can do proper diagnosis of the current situations, because they know the day-to-day life of a particular user. They know what is happening every single minute in the user's life, and that data helps to do the diagnosis and the treatment in much better way. More than 93% doctors actually believe that healthcare applications or e-medical applications or health-related applications actually improve the lifestyle and bring improvement in patient much more faster, because they have more statistics. And not just the statistics, but patient, when they're seeing their heartbeat, when they're seeing that how many hours they've been sitting, they move more. So it overall improves their health. They get a reminder to drink water. They get a reminder to stand up because they're sitting there for a long time. So this sort of facilities actually helps the doctors to believe that this industry is actually helping people to be much more healthier. More than 80% of doctors in US use mobile applications or web application to deliver patient care. So that gives an idea on how tremendous the market is, and that gives an idea that why you should actually move towards getting an online application, maybe web, maybe mobile, to deliver better services to the customer, connect customers with doctors, and control the staff in a better way for better benefit to the business. The wearable applications or wearable technology and the healthcare applications actually save more than $46 billion every single year in the healthcare cost. Reason? Because patients get on-time treatment and they have more data to connect with the doctors, which helps them to give better treatments at the time of when they are in the hospital or when they are in the critical situation. So if we see point by point, if we see that what are the major benefits, rural area connectivity have increased tremendously. It has actually reduced the cost. It has actually delivered faster services. It has delivered better services. The possibility of giving a wrong treatment in a rural area have reduced to a lot. Efficiency of the healthcare professionals have increased. It has become much more convenient for the patients to connect with the doctors. So all this aspect really points towards just a single direction, and that is that if you want to grow your hospital, If you want to earn more money, if you want to provide better services to your patient, it's mandatory right now to move towards any online application. I would not say you just go towards mobile application. You can go towards web applications, mobile applications, a wearable application, anything which suits your business. But to stay up to date in the market, to serve your patient in the right way, you need to go online with the right set of technology. And we at Ibiixo provides the best-in-class services for any sort of healthcare applications you are planning: on-demand medical equipment delivery, on-demand medicines, virtual consultations, on-demand doctors, on-demand nurses, ERP management for hospitals, or anything you are planning in the healthcare industry. We provide one of the best custom-developed solutions so that you can get everything based on your need. Not just the normal applications, but the collaborations of IoT with healthcare is also growing tremendously. So in case you have any idea related to it, in case you are planning of any healthcare applications, in case you are planning of anything, you don't have any idea, you can see our previous video which has the list of applications you can plan in the healthcare industry. We're ending this video right now. You can stay connected with the video, you can stay connected with the channel, and stay tuned with Ibiixo for more detailed video on technology related to healthcare, related to restaurants, related to many other industries. I am Deep, signing off today at Ibiixo Studios.